The House of Representatives looks into the proposed budget of the Commission on Higher Education, or CHED. During the hearing, lawmakers expressed concern on the increase of dropouts. Last year, 41% of college students did not proceed with their studies.
I want to know because I'm seeing that the highest is at the third year. Yun ang pinaka nakakalungkot kasi isang taon na lang, diba? So, I want to see if it's the same everywhere else.
But Madam Chair, the increase in the cohort attrition rate, most of it is really COVID-related.
With this, Solons agreed to increase CHED's budget for subsidy. But another issue raised was the delayed provision of grants, which forces students to shell out money from their own pocket.
Kesa sana ay nakaluwag na sila dun sa gastusin, mag-shell out pa rin sila, tapos later on, i-reimburse. So, ano po ang proactive na pwedeng magawa ng CHED dito, Madam Chair, sa ganitong mga issues ng delayed na pagdating ng mga scholarship?